Come and learn, it's fun to see. Let's count numbers 1 to 10 with me. One bright sun begins the day, smiling warmly, shining ray. 2 small birds go tweet, tweet, tweet. Flying high, their song is sweet. 3 balloons of red, blue, green, floating up with a cheery sheen. 4 butterflies dance in air, spreading colors everywhere. 5 red apples, round and bright, looking juicy, such a sight. 6 little fish swim to and fro, wiggly tails, they love to go. Bright bowls in tidy lines, colors shining, all look fine. 9 lollipops, sweet and fine, all together count to 9. 10 bright kites up in the sky, sail together way up high. We counted all 1 to 10. Let's learn again and again.